Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman and in this video I am going to talk about is error handling. Till now we have been building a tic-tac-toe game while we learn to program Python program. Okay, and a big part of programming is imagining. Okay, imagining both how people will use your program legally as well as illegally. So now let's get started. So now probably the biggest error that's going to happen is if somebody is going to try to play your tic-tac-toe game, and if they don't like our idea that we started with 0 1 0, okay, and they want to start with 1. What we have done, we have given, as you can see here, we have given 0 1 2, and they want to give 1 2 3, okay, and they want to start with 1, and then if they want to play the last row of the game, they will give row equals to 3 in place of row equals to 2 here. Okay, let's get started. So now let's give row equals to 3 in place of row equals to 2 and see whether it's showing error or not. Okay, so I have given it. So now let's run this program. So now as you can see here, it's showing many things like file, this file, such and such file, and in the line number 15, where is it? Okay, and it's showing that game equals to tic-tac-toe game player 1 row equals to 3. Here is the error. Okay, and in the line number 8, it's showing error here. Okay, line number 8, and it's showing index error, list index out of range. So now what I will do is I will clear up all this one. So now for handling this error, I will use try and except. So I will give here, go here and give try. I will go till I'll tap this one. Oh no, not this one. Okay. So now I will come down and give here accept. And then we give print so now let's run this program and see whether it's showing or not. So it says something went wrong. So now at least we have had this time we have handled the error. So now what we could do is ask the user to input again, try again, something went wrong, but this is not very helpful necessarily to your user or a programmer who is working with your code. So now we can go one more step ahead, and that is, as you know, that is it was an indexer, right? So now what I will do is I will give here is I will clear up all this one. So here in place of except I will add one more thing, that is index. What I'm doing is I don't want to show something went wrong. One more thing, that is I want to show is which error, which type of error it is. It's a list index error, right? So I will give you this index error as x. Otherwise, if we won't give as x, we need to type everywhere as index error. Okay, so now we'll come at the bottom here and I will copy, cut this one, and error, make sure input row or column, right? Row or column as 0 1 or 2. Okay, this one, right? So now I will give comma x. If you won't give x, as you know, right here, as x, we need to give index every time. So let's run this program again and check whether it's showing or not. So now it's showing error. Make sure input row column as 0, 1, 2 or 2. So now here I have given index error as x, right? Now what I want is which type of error it is. It's a index error, right? And what it is saying is list index out of range. So now we have handled index error specifically. Now the only place I am seeing an index error happening is here or here. Okay, and the only reason it's happening because somebody entered the thing which was not 0, 1, 2. Okay, so now what if a programmer is using your code and they have done mistake and they pass tic-tac-toe into the function here in place of game. So I will give tic-tac-toe and check whether it's showing something or not. Okay, let's run this program. Oh, it's showing us error. As you can see here, many things are showing here. So now how can we handle this error? So now I will add one more exception here by going here. Okay, now I will give exception as x, and then I will give here is print I. No, not this one. I will want to give something different, that is wrong. Okay, and now I will give this one. So now have given equal to 3, right? Now let's run it again. Something went wrong. Oh, we have not given here a comma. And now I will clear up. Now let's run it again. As you can see here, it's showing something went wrong, very wrong. Then it's showing function object is not scriptable. Okay, so now again we have handled this error. So in try and except, there are 2 more statements we could pass this, and we can use, that is finally and else. Okay, finally is used as in the end. Okay, so guys, that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.